Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's another day in Chef Noel's kitchen. I was gonna say Chef Connie's kitchen. Well, that was my, previous name, right? Chef Connie. That's what I went by. So today it's all about some peppered shrimp. So let me see all my shrimp lovers. This week is your week. So if you've ever been to Jamaica or you're from Jamaica, I'm sure you know about the good pepper shrimp, right? Especially from St. Elizabeth. So make sure you tune in for this recipe. It's one that you don't want to miss. Remember to share the video. Come on in. Tell me where you're watching from. Yeah, I'm gonna make a pineapple rum punch. I call it my pineapple ginger punch. So I'm sharing this now to a page. What's cooking? We're making some peppered shrimp today. Are you ready? We're making peppered shrimp. Hey, good evening. I'm waiting on a few more people to come on in to join us. Yeah man, so we're making peppered shrimp today. And it's going to be a very quick one. What I'm going to do today that's a little different is I'm going to make it like a shrimp or a seafood boil. My friend Jennifer is in the building. Hey Jennifer, what's up? So I'm going to add some potatoes and corn to it. You know we have lots of corn now, right? In season and stuff like that. So we're gonna get these boiling till they're just tender. My thing is smoking. So if you're just joining, I'm making my potatoes cook. I'm gonna do the same for the corn. You guys can see, right? Yeah. Just want these small. You know it's summer now, right? We're all eating outdoor on the patio. For those of you who have patio, or if you're on your veranda, same thing, right? So we're gonna cook our corn. Gonna put this over here a little. Alright. I'm glad I caught you this week. Present, I'm good. Jennifer Bennett in the house. I see Karen, hey Raquel, Jasmine. Hey Jasmine, how are you? You man send best of the good shrimp. Hey, thanks Jennifer Mason. How are you? So remember to share this video, guys. Share the video, tell a friend, tune in, create your own little watch party. So we got our corn over here cooking. As Jamaicans, you know, so I would say can, right? Can. Hey Grace, what's up? So I got some shrimp over here that I already washed. I'm using the shrimp with the head and the shell. Now you can take off your head if you don't like it or want to see it. You know, it's up to you, but the head has all the flavors. So I don't want to remove mine, and I want to bite in mine. Right? So it's up to you what you like. Now I use some garlic powder on this and onion powder. I like to use my smoked paprika. I like smoked paprika. So the smoked paprika help, you know, give it that nice little color as well as a nice little flavor. Now I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper, which you don't have to use because I'm gonna use Scotch bonnet pepper. But it's pepper shrimp, but not because it says pepper shrimp. It shouldn't have a nice flavor. It shouldn't be all pepper, right? I'm gonna use this again, yeah. Now I still have some freshly chopped garlic and onion here, which I'm gonna use as well. Or I can saute these if I want. But there's no need for that. Hey, so when I'm making some peppered shrimp, I got some crushed pimento here. These. I was looking for my I wish I had browned these more. I'll just shell it out. And then, because I don't want to see the pimento in it. I don't want to see that, but I've got to powder it out, right? So we need to add some salt to this. So the thing is, because the shrimp cooks so quick, a little black pepper, just a little. You want to add all your seasoning at once, right? There you have it. Just do a little oil on it so to get it you know. And if you want, you can marinate your shrimp for like a good 20 minutes. Start to get red already, right? You want to cook your shrimp just as it like, you know, pink. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. So I'm going to use 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. Since I use cayenne pepper, yeah. So let me just switch my board. Yeah. So if you have Scotch bonnet pepper that's really, really hot, you can use 1. You know, when they are Toronto, these not so hot. You guys can see good. I'm seeing you guys good. You guys see me good? Turn this off. I don't mind spice, you guys know that already, right? I don't mind pepper. So you do it to your lightness, right? What you like. I'm never gonna make a drink to go with this. Now the drink I'm gonna make, I just realized it's not perfect for the shrimp because it has ginger beer in it. And the last thing you wanna do is to eating something spicy and drinking ginger beer. But luckily it has pineapple juice in it, which is, you know, not bad. So you can cool it down a little. Alright, so we're ready to go. Jackie says she's hungry. A little red green on, you see? Nice and colorful. Yeah, beer things are going on, you know? So let me tell you from now, if you guys see me sneezing, coughing or whatever, it's not COVID, but the spice. And I don't want you guys to say, oh, am I sneezing in the kitchen? We're a human being, we got feelings, we got emotions, and it happens, right? It's natural. So we're just gonna eat this now in a pot. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. I'm not going to throw this out because I'm going to add some water to this. So I'm using 1 pound of shrimp, and I use like a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon cayenne pepper, a teaspoon pimento powder, you know, like that. Maybe half onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't rub your face. No, no, no. I won't. You just want these to, cook and catch a nice color. So for those of you who miss the St. Elizabeth peppered shrimp, you can make your own at home and get a taste of Jamaica. Especially now that Jamaica is open and you can't get to go there. And I told you guys earlier, I'm going to turn this into a boil, right? So I'm going to add some corn and potato to this and turn it into a one pot. Usually I make my own pimento powder. I just grind my pimento. And if you can't see the screen, you can slide across the comments and then you'll be able to see. Looking good, eh? Add curry. No, I don't want a curry. You see, it's going to change color. So what I'm going to do now is add some water now to this thingy. I'm using hot water, not too much. I'm going to add it now. You get some vent. Alright. Oh Lord, I'm dying. So we're gonna make our cocktail now. In the meantime, so we'll turn this on low. Too much ice here. So for our cocktail now, we're gonna do some pineapple juice. Some pineapple juice. I'm gonna add some ginger beer to this. And this, and the quote today is, taste, talk and taste your tongue. Who know what that means? Talk and taste your tongue. Who can tell me what that means? Talk and taste your tongue. Can somebody tell me please? And if you tell me and it's correct, then you'll get some of this. I'm using a black spice rum. You can use any spice rum that you want to use, right? And you know I'm a 2-ounce guy, right? So hopefully I'll have. You know I'm a 2-ounce guy. And our shrimp has a nice little sauce in there going on. Let me show you. See there? Nice little sauce going on in there. So it's not dry and the color is really good. See there? No man, pepper good now man. Pepper good now. We're good. So it says, oh Lord, I saw somebody say, shut up. I'm thinking I'm not telling you shut up and come here and say, wait, we not have to talk. But I forgot to ask you guys about this. Talk and taste your tongue. Talk and taste your tongue. Somebody say, no, it's a Jamaican proverb. It's a Jamaican proverb. I think, yeah, it's a Jamaican proverb. Hold on, what's happening? Yeah, so Andrew said shut up. Yeah, someone said talk and eat. Then Nora says shut your mouth, speak kind words, talk and taste your tongue. I don't know what it means, honestly I don't. But talk and taste your tongue meaning, you know, choose your words wisely, I think, you know, something like that. Know the words you're speaking, yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of my drink. So so chef is multitasking, eh? One more. Think before you speak, yeah. So I think someone was asking, so we're gonna add, I don't have a restaurant, I just do catering here in Toronto. And I do cooking classes, stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do, so this is our pepper shrimp, already good to go. But as I said, I'm gonna turn this into something similar to a seafood boil. The ginger beer, I added the black spice rum. Oh yeah, that's a good buzz. It's not too strong. It's not too strong. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna add the corn and the potatoes now to this. So this now is like a complete meal, right? Turn up my flame. Just add a little green onion now for some color and some freshness. And ready to plate up. So we'll get rid of this. Wipe off our space, make sure we're already on clean to plate up our meal. So the drink if you're just joining is pineapple juice, ginger beer with black spice rum, and that's it. Buzzy, yeah man, buzzy. I like that, buzzy. So just want the corn now to get some of the juice. And the potato absorbs some of the, you want to, it's like a little captain boil but a Jamaican style, you know? So it's a chef boil this. I'm gonna use my bowl. My little bowl. I'm ready to go. So we set up nice and, you know. If you're in Jamaica tomorrow, you can grab a copy of the Observer. You'll get this recipe in their summer cookbook. That's a little plug right there, but you know. I use the Grace Island ginger beer, but you can use any that you like. I know, right? I'm just gonna picture of this. And it's ready. It's ready. How long it took to cook? That's just 20 something minutes. You see on record, bro. You see on record. Sure. I love these straws. And guess what? I got these at the dollar store. Dollar store. Big up dollar store. And it's all ready now. So I'm just gonna plate this up. I should. And as for me and my house, this belongs to me. Amen. Can I get a hallelujah? As for me and my house, and of course I'm going to say my grace, which is right. And that's it. That's your chef boil, Jamaican style, chef boil. All right. So it's just potato, some corn, peppered shrimp. It's a one-pot meal. You know, good to go. Not fully one pot because we had to use two different pots, right? But we transfer it and make it into one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today, and I hope you guys will give it a try. Let me just get some pictures so I can post for you guys. And make sure you guys and remember, you gotta go over to Amazon and get the book. Also, I'll be posting this recipe on my website tonight. Also, the book is called Cuisine by Noel. Cuisine by Noel, so go get the book on Amazon, 100 recipes that you and your family will love. So, yeah, so pretty much that's it. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys, and the link for my Instagram is there for those of you asking. It's I am Chef Noel, as well as the link for my Facebook is above, Chef Noel Cunningham. So you can follow on Instagram at I am Chef Noel. For those of you who have Instagram and Facebookers, it's just Chef Noel Cunningham. So, and that's it. That's what we made today together. Alright, so see you guys next week. Thanks, Sheena. So see you guys next week, same time, same place, at 6 p.m. my time. That's 6 p.m. my time. Oh Lord, this is good. The ginger beer, because you know that the ginger beer and the spice rum is we'll call it again a dark and stormy, right? A dark and stormy. The ginger beer and the spice rum is a dark and stormy. But we add the pineapple now to change. I will change the name. So tomorrow is Thursday. I'll be going live on my page. I didn't go live last week. I think I didn't go week before and last week, I think. So tomorrow we're going live. Tomorrow going live on my page, Chef Noel Cunningham. It's above, it's in the link, so you can tune in for that. I'm not sure what we're gonna make tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I'll see. And hopefully I'll post the recipe tonight or early tomorrow so you guys can give it a try. How do I sign? You can message me if you need a signed copy of the book. Message me on my page or on Instagram at I am Chef Noel. Hey Jennifer, yeah man, so tomorrow we'll go live. I'll make something tomorrow, I don't know what I have in the cupboard. I'll see what I have. I was gonna make y'all dessert today, you know. I was gonna make y'all a little dessert. But I'll save the dessert for tomorrow night, okay? I'll save the dessert for tomorrow night. It's a quick dessert that you can make for the kids or the kid in you as well. So tomorrow night I'll make that. It's just ice cream with some cookies and we dip it in some stuff and boom bang. So this one called COVID, man. This one called COVID or 2020 something. COVID special that. Call it calm after the storm. Not no calm about it. No man, you can message. So if you want to sign copy of the book, message me on my page, Chef. Hold on, what's up? Yeah man, so just message me on my page and then you send me your email address and your address and I'll sign it, mail it to you, and then you can pay via email. I want to visit New York pretty soon. And if you're in Toronto, I still want to do my book launch here. I want to do my book launch in Winnipeg. I want to also do a book launch in Jamaica, and I have New York as well. Hey Regina. So yeah man, I want to come to New York as this thing over and COVID say, yeah? We can do road. I want to do all of that, man. I love New York. New York is my favorite. One of my favorite cities. I don't know nobody kill me. I love New York. Last year that's all I wanted for my birthday. Just to be in New York. And I have my jerk marinade sauce coming, guys. I'll tell you guys more about that. And make sure you go visit my website. It's cuisinebynoel.com. Cuisinebynoel.com. And this is my jerk marinade. It's coming soon. It's empty. This is my little bottle. It's empty. Done. Because I use it in everything. Pork chops, fish, shrimp, everything. And it's done now. But I'm getting more products soon. Like in a week time, I think. So it should be ready. So you guys will be able to order this from my website for your grilling season. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Not because it's mine, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And if you buy it and you don't like it, money back guarantee. Not from me, but I don't know who, but money back guarantee if you don't like it. Alright, so see you guys next week. And we'll do this all over again. I was thinking of doing some grilling. Lord, it's hot. It's hot, my chargy. The price on these, I think these are like $7. But it's worth it. It's not salty. It's not full of like vinegar. It's real Jamaican jerk. Yo, this is good. I like it. I'm gonna work with it. We can work with it. If you're just joining, you missed the chef boil. I'm not captain boil. I ain't no captain. I'm a chef. Alright, so next week guys, make sure you share the video, tag your friends, keep your watch party. Alright? Bless up.